Propolis is a waxy substance that bees gather from trees. It has natural healing properties and has been used for thousands of years to treat human disease and improve health. It is a complex compound that contains more than 300 substances. It has very high concentrations of a natural antioxidant called CAPE, as well as vitamins, minerals, and essential amino acids. PROPOELIX is a proprietary extract of natural propolis. It is highly potent as it has been extracted using a unique process called CMCE. CMCE is the result of a 20-year research effort by HDI to find a form of propolis that would be easily absorbed by the body. The CMCE process removes all naturally occurring waxes and resins, leaving behind only the active ingredients such as polyphenols, flavonoids, and most importantly, CAPE. Propolis in its natural state is actually very poorly absorbed by the body. However, PROPOELIX, due to its unique extraction, makes it very easily absorbed by the body, so that you get the full benefits of propolis with every gram that you take. In fact, an analysis by Brunswick Laboratory in the USA shows that PROPOELIX actually has more than double the ORAC value of any other propolis supplement on the market today. To give you a better idea, one PROPOELIX capsule has the same ORAC value as 3 cups of raw broccoli, and one bottle of PROPOELIX actually has the same ORAC value as 17 kilograms of raw broccoli. Propolis has been shown in many laboratory studies to have powerful antibacterial properties, particularly against bacteria that infect the skin, the nose, and the throat. The remarkable thing about propolis is that it even has anti-cancer properties. Scientific studies have shown that propolis can kill cancer cells from the breast, lung, prostate, and brain. For patients on chemotherapy, propolis has also been shown to reduce the toxic effects of certain chemotherapeutic regimens, which may damage the heart, lungs, and kidneys. Propolis has certain compounds which has also been shown to kill fungus and help to relieve the itching and inflammation that patients get from fungal infections. Because PROPOELIX is uniquely water-soluble, your body is better able to absorb it and receive all these benefits. Drugs are mainly synthetic and will cause certain side effects. On the other hand, PROPOELIX is a natural form of supplementation that can be used with drugs and other medical therapies to restore your general immunity and boost general health. PROPOELIX has no known side effects. In fact, it was recently shown in a clinical trial conducted at Persahabatan Hospital in Indonesia to be very useful therapy in patients with dengue fever. PROPOELIX was found to shorten the hospital stay of each patient with dengue fever by up to 25%. It has also been shown in preliminary studies in patients with HIV/AIDS to possibly improve their CD4 counts, one of the most important immune cells in our body. Because PROPOELIX is such a powerful immune system booster, everybody can benefit from taking it.